Ubus faster your egg. This is the last egg na, okay?
Okay.
Ate, yung kayo lang
You said don't eat fast. Okay.
Awa din.
I just like it. It was too.
Noah! Yes, Noah. Okay ka naman sa? Taga mo na yung Noah. Taga ko yan. Naman ka lang pa katay mo. Magbalik ka mo rin. Noah, we don't have everything's for Kuya.
Sige.
Stop touching my egg. Your hand is dirty. Kako yun. Are you hungry pa?
Oh, Noah got already. I did him.
Noah.
Oh,
One pa?
last one. Thank you. I'm full. Go. Bro, no.
Amin ni. Kain ini. Amin ni.
Kuya, what can I say? No, I'm being attacked. I just found the crazy wolf.
Tanya ito na.
You know why it rice what? Ayaw.
No.
Don't want to
Give me the
rice.
rice. I'm just rice. I think you're busog na Tanya.
I'm busog na. Not yet. Kuya, don't give once in. Okay.
Eat the rice.
If you're not gonna eat the whole egg, give it to me. I think I'm full. Let's go inside. I'll give it to you.
Bro, ito naman lang ni.
Wala na.
Ha? Ano ba?
Crispy.
Natanya niya rice na Noah.
Kaya ano?
Without maybe in the bone. Kuya,
Kuya, ikaw na tadi pi.
Ayaw mo na ito.
Ha? Baka naman yung kukuha nun.
Magkakano na ito.
Ha?
Magkakano na ito.
Those are not oozing their egg. Give it to me.
Kaya rin ni Tanya.
Wow, I like your egg. That's all what like bloody look.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wala di kaya.
Mm.
Ako nala.
Oh my god.
Dahil ka makaon.
Oh my god, my teammates are...
Super hot. Super hot.
Oh
I'll give
my
you-
god, these are the best teammates.
Uy!
These are the best teammates. They made us
Tapos
happy.
may da.
Ayaw pag-lapit din ko yan. Tanya. I will give you a yellow. Di? Kaya mo ito. May daka egg. Yung pinanatag mo. Tama na.
I don't like yellow white. Okay. Okay.
Kaya give it to me. Ayaw na pag ginaroon ko yung magutom ba yun. Masuntok tayo ko. Oo naman. Kaya na kamin ko yung nalalabog na ito. You like?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it. But I like yung daddy ka luto. I like it more with that bread bun. Kaya kasi kang daddy bakit something. No, I want the yellow one.
Yes. Tastes like
How about the crispy?
yes, but it tastes like egg yolk though.
You eat a lot of egg, you become an egg na soon. Ate, na yung siya nakapalitan. Cancer kung gum.
Right. Oh my god,
Kapit
get
nga lang
back to the
nagtagalog
maze.
na nagkabalik yung mada.
Sabi ako!
Walay! May the water?
How undead
Ate,
maze.
Mother Farah, I want catechism.
You? Did you buy it?
Oh.
Please.
Don't have money na. I bought the money for the bread.
Aww. Ate Shay, ano ba yung circle kami?
Sorry, agad. Ano ka man napagkahanap?
Oh yeah, sorry. Speedbook! Excuse me, I'm not allowed any diaper anymore.
Weird.
You know why? When I wear it, something affects my bubut. And it have two tiny holes. Inside my bubut. Oh no!
Kung talaga yung bunay. Mahal, egg pa. Mahal.
Yes, one more na, okay? I need to eat in this game or else I will die. Why new house?
Diba yung gamit sa insurance?
Don't eat. That's circle?
Oo.
Okay.
If ma-finish mo ha.
Ah! The auto!
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know they could come. Ah! Ah! Yes. Well, if we can't eat, I'll eat it all.
Kuya, ang sweet.
Kuya, another.
Okay, sige.
Yung ano, gusto na yung bunay.
Okay, go. Go.
We're not gonna eat them yet.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, go.
We're just telling you to eat all of them.
You're an egg
Good.
monster na. You keep stealing everyone's eggs.
Or like egg master. Don't steal my rice. I'm not a rice monster.
Uy, ano to? You eat Tanya's rice, this one. Ah. Right? Right. Oh no, Kuya Noah, eat the rice, not you.
Hi, I'm eating.
Finish your rice.
Drama, sorry, I'm hungry. Kuya, no, I'll finish it in a second. Drama, egg monster kasi. Egg! I'm gonna kill this egg monster. What do you think? I'm not... No one told me. Hi, egg monster, follow me. I'm gonna get some more eggs. Never mind. We wait, I'm gonna get
What?
for reason.
Sayang eh. Nagpankuan. Upload and kuan. Alapay.
We need your meat. I'm hungry. No, please don't kill me. Oh! I'm mad at this newbie. He ate my food and I'm about to die. Farah, this is not opening. Farah. Farah. I'm Farah.
Hey! Why did check up me for like this? Not check that body because it's shade later now.
They're not best teammates. They're bad teammates. Someone ate my meat when I got some meat. I was about to die because of hunger, and then one of my teammates ate it, and then I died of hunger in opening up my food.
Hey, what?
I'm not OA. What me is steaks. Where do you get steaks? What the hell, steaks?